another video. This is going to be the beginning of my hosting a vlog. It's actually the Sunday before, so we're having the dinner on Thursday, which is actually Burns night. I think it's the 26th, Thursday 26th of January. We're having 6 of us for a Burns supper. That's the washing machine beeping. And I've ordered a few bits from Amazon, just some like tartan ribbons and some tablecloths and things like that. So here's the initial plan. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm really hoping it does. But basically we have this little table outside and then these 3 chairs. We're going to bring in this table because it actually works really well in terms of the height of this table. So we are going to put them together because this one only seats 4. And I think we're going to put the tables there. So we're going to have like the little one from outside here, the big one here. We've got cream tablecloths from Amazon that I ordered that are like £16 each, really cheap, but I've had them in the past. Really easy, just cute little tablecloths. We're going to bring 2 of the chairs in from outside, which Matt and I are going to sit on, and we're going to just like dress the table. I don't know if you remember from my other vlog, but on Amazon the other day I picked up these really cute little God, let me just show you here. These really cute little tea light holders. I really want to find some tea lights that don't have the silver metal bit, but when the candle is lit, it looks really sweet. So the idea is have one on each end of the table, maybe some tartan ribbon in the middle, and then, yeah, some more candles down the middle of the table. But the start of this vlog is gonna be beginning with cleaning. We need to do a deep clean of this flat. Every time it's like a sunny morning on a weekend, the whole room fills with light and all I can see is like, these windows are filthy, they need to be washed. The floor needs a proper mop and clean, crumbs everywhere, bits everywhere. So I'm gonna be starting with a deep clean. I'm also gonna deep clean the bathroom because I'm in the office now 4 days a week and the Burns supper is on Thursday night. I need to be fully ready to go Wednesday night because I'm gonna be rushing home from the office on Thursday before everyone arrives and trying to get everything done. So welcome to the vlog or the video and let's get cleaning. It's Wednesday night and we are hosting our Burns supper tomorrow. I've just been to Sainsbury's and been sorting out all the bits that I got and realised that I was meant to be vlogging the setup process. So I thought I would show you quickly what we've got. We've got some Hendrick's gin. We got a few bottles, well, a couple of bottles of wine from Aldi. And then we had to pick up as well some more glasses. So we just got, because people will be having gin and things like that. We just got these, which I thought were quite nice. They were only £6. And they're like quite thin little cocktail glasses. So I need to wash them up. This is the table setup that we have so far, if you can see. So I need to iron these tablecloths. These are just the ones that I got on Amazon. We have this table at the end, which is the table from outside. Chairs, which are obviously outside as well. But I think it's quite a good size for 6 people. I think you could probably even have 8 people there. I'm also in the middle of cleaning the surfaces. So I thought I would just let you watch me do my cleaning. I need to clean this oven as well. And I've sprayed all of this. I've also got these white roses that I have just, they were £2.50 from Sainsbury's for a bunch. So I got 2 bunches, that's 2 bunches. And I thought I'll cut down some roses. I got these from a charity shop. They're not like identical, which I think is quite cute. So I'm gonna put them on the table as well with my little tea light holders that I have. So they'll be really cute and make a really nice like cozy light. And then I have this really gorgeous Flower of Scotland ribbon that I am gonna do something with. I'm not quite sure what, but yeah, we're getting there. I also have all the haggis. I bought pre-made mashed potato, which is kind of bad, but whatever. I'm gonna put the mash in here and fluff it all up and bake it in the oven. What else did I get? I had to buy some new plates. So I actually got this from Sainsbury's and then these also from Sainsbury's. I'm gonna prop you up now, let you watch me cleaning. And then for dinner tonight, oh, we also got these little bits for tomorrow. We've got some of these like cheddar cheese nibbles, some sea salt crisps, whiskey to make the whiskey sauce. But I thought if some people want whiskey, they can have it. And then for dinner tonight, we've got pizza from Aldi. Pretty much all ready to go for the Burn supper. It's 6:15 and everyone is arriving at 6:45. So I'll quickly show you what we've still got to do. So the haggises, we got 3. These are all veggie. They're cooking away nicely. They're boiling. The plan is, before everyone arrives, take them out of their packets and dispense them into a Pyrex dish, because nobody is Scottish that's coming to this event, and I think they might get a bit freaked out by seeing the gross haggis. So that's the haggis. I'm now just on nibbles, so I'm putting some crisps. We have these Piper's crisps that I'm filling up. Oh God, that I'm filling up in here. I'm going to put some olives into here because I think I'm literally the only person that likes olives. And then I'm going to put these cheddar bites in the green one. We also have our carrot and, oh, sweet, is that turnip? Is it sweet as turnip? I don't know. That needs to go in the oven as well, but that's just going to go in its container. I've actually made myself a little G&T just to calm me down because I was a bit stressed out. I was in the office today, I was working, and I had to rush home and get ready for tonight, so my roses have bloomed so nicely. They were just from Aldi or Sainsbury's, sorry, and they were £2.50. Got this little candle on, and I need to just light these candles, and then I'm going to put the snacks down the middle there, and I'll quickly show you the mash. I decanted it from its containers and put it in here with some extra cream, salt and pepper, and that's going to bake in the oven later. So we're pretty much all ready to go. We're just waiting on everyone arriving now. I'm going to put some music on the iPad as well, and yeah, I've washed all the glasses that we bought yesterday. I need to light these little candles, so I'm going to do that. Oh, I just remembered I'm also going to put some salt in my little beaker things, pinch pots, some of that for the table. And the red one will add a bit of colour. We've got this door open because it's getting very steamed up in here, as you can see on the windows, so I've got it open, but it's kind of creeping me out, so I might just close that in a second. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to include some clips in a minute of our evening. Obviously, I don't want to film everyone's reactions as they're coming in and everything. So much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.